Hello friends, Kevin here, and today I'm in the basement. That's right, in the basement at home working hard on all these upcoming Japan vlogs. And while I'm excited to announce all these wonderful videos that we have coming up, I'm equally as excited to talk about getting Japan delivered right to our front door. And if you love Japanese snacks or culture, you're going to enjoy this video. But first, let's head to the front door. And our wonderful boxes have arrived at our door. We've got two different vibes today. Tokyo Treat is bringing the Sakura Night Matsuri. It's all about the fun, modern festival snacks. And of course, Sakura Co is bringing the Sakura Moonlight Festival. This one focuses on more traditional artisan sweets and tea from local makers across Japan. Look at these wonderful designs. They're absolutely beautiful. Each one comes with a neat little postcard. And, of course, don't worry if you don't speak Japanese. The cultural booklet inside of each one of these boxes tells you exactly what everything is, including all the allergy information and a little bit about why these snacks were chosen for this box and where they come from. Whether you've been to Japan before or you're planning your first trip, this is the perfect way to experience those authentic flavors delivered right to your doorstep. With that intro out of the way, let's get to the good stuff. We're diving into the Tokyo Treat box first to check out the lineup and choose our first round of snacks. And man, are we spoiled for choices when it comes to snacks. Look at these wonderful cookies. Look at these matcha latte KitKats. Mine, thank you. Rice cracker mix and potato rings. Oh, look at these. Mini Sakura bread, cherry blossom rice cracker. Interesting. Smoked radish rice crackers. Fried ume potato sticks, grape soda soft candy, and right behind that, truffle crackers, my friends. Sheesh. And you thought that was all that was inside this box? Nuh-uh. Right underneath that, a friggin' Crunky. A wonderful caramel Crunky. And just behind the caramel Crunky, a seafood vegetable soy sauce ramen. Wonderful. Now, popping open our Sakura Co box, we'll find some wonderful pink tea, a bag of spring mix, a wonderful bag of Sakura Unko cakes, Sakura wagashi, which is Japanese-style marshmallows made with egg whites and a wonderful red bean paste. We got a Sakura cream cookie, Sakura wafers, we got some senbeis, some Sakura confito, a big old bag of Sakura Mochis. Oh man, I'm excited to dive into these. And some wonderful strawberry tartelettes at the bottom. Some more crackers. These ones have little shrimpies on them. And this is Yokan, a traditional Japanese wagashi made by blending azuki beans and sugar. And a neat little touch to every single Sakura Co box, a wonderful tableware item. This month's item, Sakura glass. Now let's get to snacking. Matcha latte KitKats.
My favorite thing in the Tokyo Treat box is always the KitKats. One for you.
Matcha latte KitKats. They are so green.
They are so green.
Oh my gosh. And they smell incredible.
Yeah, not too sugary. You can smell the matcha.
It's giving a lot of matcha. Oh, wow.
That's so matcha.
These are actually incredible.
I was going to say, these are my favorite ones.
They're sweet.
Not too much, though. They're more bitter from the matcha, which I really like. Creamy. Crunchy.
So good. Sakura roll cake. This looks nice.
Baumkuchen.
Looks real nice.
I love a good roll cake. It looks really soft.
It is really soft.
And pink.
Like one of those Simpsons donuts. We're going to split this thing in half. There's so many layers. Each layer is kind of just pulling apart right now.
Apparently it's a soft Sakura flavor, so not too heavy.
Oh. Wow. That is so soft and spongy.
It's just like a floral note of Sakura, but not overpowered. It doesn't taste like perfume. Sometimes Sakura can be very strong. This is perfect.
Kind of tastes like a cherry chocolate chip.
Kind of.
That's really
very
nice. Rice cracker mix. What is that?
So there's matcha flavor, Sakura, brown sugar, cinnamon, shrimp, salt, and peanuts. So you can see the different items, and that tells you which one you're going to get. I kind of want to try the matcha one first, if you can get me a green one.
I'll be okay with any of these.
Or just give me a random one. Yeah, matcha.
What do I get?
It just smells like rice cracker.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's on the inside. These are good.
Oh,
Soft.
I didn't even show any to the camera. I'm just stuffing my face with shrimp and peanut.
Hello-y.
Oh my goodness.
I like to figure out which one I'm eating. I'm going to assume that this one is cinnamon.
Oh yeah, it's definitely a cinnamon cluster. I want more of these.
Might be brown sugar. Oh, no, that's brown sugar.
Oh, I just got a cinnamon one.
Those are so good.
Did you want more?
Yeah, you're supposed to share those with me.
And now, on to the Sakuraco box. Every single month you get an awesome exclusive tableware item. This month has this wonderful glass. And speaking of glasses, they always include an iced tea that pairs perfectly well with all of the snacks. This month's Ume Pink Tea.
It looks so pretty.
Oh, floral. That is a nice tea.
I think that would perfectly pair with the mochi, the Sakura Mochi.
Mochi time!
This pairs perfectly with the tea.
Sakura flavored mochi.
It's crazy how fresh it is.
Wow.
I really like the taste of Sakura.
That's terrific.
It's
Wafers.
wafer time.
You can tell we don't rehearse this. We just kind of stuff our faces.
This is snack time for us.
You know what? I was expecting your traditional wafer cookie, but this is a lot firmer.
Half.
A lot firmer and more chocolatey than I thought it would be. That's really nice, and it keeps its texture. I find with wafer cookies, they kind of just fall apart when you take one bite, but this thing stays firm. I really like it.
That one tastes more like a traditional one, but firm.
Damn, they knocked it out of the park with these ones.
The chocolate one's my favorite.
I like this one.
Weird.
It's strawberry tart time. Oh!
A little baby tart.
Yeah. It's supposed to have custard in the crust.
Inside the crust, yeah.
And inside is that
it
wonderful
smells
jam.
like a home-baked pie.
Wow. Buttery. Custardy.
This is so good.
It's like a really, really soft cookie.
Yeah.
It's tart.
It's a tart. That's
Wow.
gonna go good with the tea.
Whether you're planning a cozy night in, binge watching anime, or heck, you're looking for a bunch of snacks, if you're interested in checking out these boxes, check out the link in the description to get $5 off of your first box using our code Kevin and Kat.
And a huge thank you to Tokyo Treat and Sakura Co for sponsoring this week's video.
Did you like that video? Why not check out some of our other videos? For more food, travel, gaming, more, give us a subscribe. Bye for now.